All right, welcome boys and girls to the first day of Math at Home, sent from Mr. Monty from Prairie Ridge here. So, what we're going to start working on today is your bar graphs from chapter 13. And basically what we're doing here is we are going to be looking at this Common Core. So it says, draw a scaled picture graph and a scaled bar graph to represent a data set with several categories. Solve 1 and 2 step how many more and how many less problems using information presented in scaled bar graphs. For example, draw a bar graph in which each square in the bar graph might represent 5 pets. So that's basically what we're going to do here. So we're going to start with that. And when we finish going over practice page 2 in your math pack set we sent home, then we're going to go over the 3rd grade test prep crunch time day 1. So let's get started. All right, reading and interpreting bar graphs. So the bar graph shows the bus tickets that were sold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And we can see that they go up by increments of 10 on the numbers, and then there's a line in the middle there, halfway between 0 and 10, halfway between 10 and 20. That means those are the 5s. So, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Bus tickets sold is the main title, and this side over here is number of tickets. So let's answer each question. Use the data in the bar graph. How many more tickets were sold on Thursday than on Wednesday? So let's look at Thursday. I see Thursday there are 50 tickets sold. And I see on Wednesday there are 20 tickets sold. So we can count how many more tickets were sold on Thursday than on Wednesday. So let's see, we can go 10, 20, 30. Each one of those lines is another 10. So we should have 30 tickets. Number 2, on Thursday, 15 of the tickets sold were for children. So we're looking at Thursday now. And 15 of the 50 tickets were sold for children. So how many of the tickets were adults? Well, that has to be all the leftovers. So if we take 15 away from 50, 5, 10, 15 would be 35. Number 3, 18 fewer tickets were sold on Friday than on Tuesday. So Friday we don't even have, but it says that there's 18 fewer tickets sold on Friday than on Tuesday. So let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday there were 30 and 18 fewer than on Tuesday. So how many tickets were sold on Friday? Well, take 18 away from 30. Oh, there's 10, there's 15, 16, 17, 18. So that would be 12 tickets sold on Friday. The number of tickets sold on Tuesday can be grouped into 5s. So kind of like basically we're looking at the number, the lines over here on the side. And we'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those lines, 6 groups of 5 on Tuesday because it goes to 30. And the last one here, how many tickets were sold in all during the 4 days? 30 and 20 is 50. 50 and 50 is 100. And 40 is 140. All right. Got all those right. I'm eating an orange Skittle right now. So my first Skittle is an orange Skittle. Oh, kind of crunchy, but they still taste good. All right, next page. The bar graph shows the number of notebooks that 5 students have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notebooks that 5 students have. There's Jack, Melanie, Sarah, Kareem, and Fiona. Number of students. Number of notebooks. We're going to write true or false for each of these boxes. And we're going to use the data in the bar graph. So, Jack has 20 notebooks. Well, let's look. There's Jack. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yep, that is true. Good job. Fiona has 25 notebooks. Let's find Fiona. Here you are. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Hey, that's true again. Let's see, Melanie has 40 notebooks. So let's count Melanie's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, does she have 40? Does her bar graph go all the way to the 40? No, it does not. So that means that is false. Kareem has 5 fewer notebooks than Fiona. Well, let's look at Kareem. And we need to find Fiona. There's Kareem and Fiona. Let's see, is that true? 5 fewer? No, 5 more than Fiona, not 5 fewer. And number 10, Sarah has the least number of notebooks. That is true. She has the smallest number at 15. All right, next page. Notebooks that 5 students have. Again, kind of the same set of data, just more questions. So let's look. How many more notebooks does Kareem have than Fiona? Hey, we kind of answered that on the other page. 5. How many fewer notebooks does Sarah have than Melanie? Let's see, there's Sarah. Here's Melanie. So let's count this area right in here. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 fewer notebooks. How many notebooks do Melanie and Sarah have altogether? Well, Melanie has 35 and Sarah has 15. So we're going to start with 35. Add 10 more. 35 goes to 45. And then add 5 more. 45 goes to 50. So they have 50 notebooks together. 14. Who has twice as many notebooks as Sarah? Well, Sarah has 15. So 15 plus 15 would give me twice as many, or 2 times 15. So 15 and 15 is 30. Who has 30 notebooks? I'm going to go to 30. I go up here, and it is Kareem. Which 2 students have a total of 65 notebooks? So I'm just thinking 35 and 30 would give me 65. Do we have a 35? Hey, Melanie has 35 and Kareem has 30. 35 and 30. So Melanie and Kareem have 65 notebooks. All right, next page. Oh, got to even it up here. And I am eating a red Skittle. So my second Skittle is a red Skittle. The bar graph shows the kinds of juices that people like. Blank people like mixed berry juice. Here's mixed berry. I go up all the way to here. It looks like 25. 19 people like blank juice. There's a dotted line for the 19. So each one of those little lines is 1. I slide over and I see carrot. Okay, carrot juice. 19 people like carrot juice. The most popular juice is blank. Well, that's got to be the one that most people like, and that would be orange juice. 16 more people like apple juice than blank juice. Apple juice. And I have to count back 16. So there's 5, 10, 15, and that 1 there from the bar is 16, 25, and that's mixed berry. Number 20. 10 fewer people like blank juice than the most popular juice. Well, the most popular we already answered was orange. And 10 less than that would be 40 instead of 50, and that is pineapple juice. 21. What can you say about orange juice and carrot juice? Well, orange juice is way up here. Carrot juice is way down here. So orange juice has the most, and carrot juice is the least liked. Next page. Danny's selling some flowers. Good job, Danny. Here we go. Flowers Danny sold. How many daisies did Danny sell? Let's find daisies. Carry it over there. 300 daisies. He sold 150 more carnations. 450. Than another flower. So we got to count back 150. So 50, 100, 150. Daisy. So what kind of flower is that? Daisy. 24. He sold twice as many sunflowers as another kind of flower. Which kind of flower? So it has to be less than the sunflower. because he sold twice as many sunflowers as the other kind of flowers. So we look at sunflower, and it's 250, 260, 270, so 280. So basically 28 cut in half is 14. So 280 would be 140. There's 140 right here. There's a dotted line. It's tulips. Tulips it is. Let's see. 25. How many fewer sunflowers than roses were sold? So there's 260, 70, 80. There's 280 sunflowers. And roses, there were 450, 460, 470, 480 minus 280. So 48 minus 28 is 20, so 200. And he sold a total of 750 of two kinds of flowers. Which two kinds of flowers could they be? Well, 750, that's like a 350 and 400 or something like that maybe would work. Well, there's 450 and there's 300. 450 and 300 would be 750. So daisies and carnations. All right, here we go. Favorite subjects. Of course it's math. Why wouldn't it be math? It has to be. I'm surprised it's that close, really. Math, I'm surprised, isn't even higher, but, whatever. So, use the data in the bar graph. Blank students like math. 18 students like math. 3 fewer students like blank than reading. Well, reading has 15. 3 fewer students. You could answer science or social studies there. They're both at 12. The number of students who like blank is equal to the number of students who like blank. Equal. So social studies and science are both the same. A total number of 39 students like 3 kinds of subjects. Which 3 kinds of subjects could they be? Well, let's peek. 12, 24, and 36 plus the 3 more would be 39. Hey, that works! Science, social studies, and reading. 39 students. And that is all for our practice set. Day 2 of the workbook there. So I'm going to get off here and we'll get back on here in a little bit and answer our test prep. Thanks, kiddos. Okay, so I got about 2 minutes to do this, so we're going to have to go kind of fast. So which 2 of the following expressions have a difference of less than 30? So we're going to go through here. Less than 30 is really small. Let's see. 12 away from 600 and 3 would be 15. Let's see here. That's less than 30. We're looking for less than 30. 15 is definitely less than 30. How about 16 and 10? So 16 away from 400, 10 away from 400. So 16 plus 10 is 26. So there's our answers. C and D. You can do the other 3 problems and see if I made a mistake. I might have. But now it's time for that yellow Skittle. Which 2 of the following statements are true? We're looking for equivalent fractions. We're looking at B and C. Let's look for equivalent fractions, okay? Max's bedroom floor is in the shape of a rectangle as shown. What is the area of Max's bedroom floor? Area, remember, is the whole part in the middle. Perimeter is the outside. So area, 6 times 10 is 60 square feet. How many vertices or points does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, whoop. Enter your answers in the boxes. 9 times 9, 81. 56 divided by 8. 5 times 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 36 divided by 9, I count on my fingers. 9 times 4 is 36. 63 divided by 7, let's see, what's 9 times 7? That would be 63. All right, boys and girls, that is all for today. Remember to eat those Skittles if you have some around. I need to eat another one of these guys right here. Thank you much.